The main reason I called Quarter Sun was to update and refresh the house and make it more functional for my family today. I bought the house because I really loved the existing woodwork and details, and so I didn't want any of the updates to look like they were just kind of stuck onto an old house. So the design was really meant to kind of keep everything fluid and make it look like it all made sense. So some of my favorite things about the house are all the fun details, the interesting wallpaper and unique light fixtures and plumbing fixtures. I love all the little details. And also it's just a lot more user-friendly, and there's heated floors in the bathroom, and we have a lot more space that's usable. The process was really great. It went really smoothly. I had a lot of sort of changes and stops and starts on my end, and Quarter Sun really, I need a lot of hand-holding, and they did a great job with that, and kind of going with the flow. And there was a lot of good communication, and I thought it all went really, really smoothly, and everything was on time, and it was, I have only good things to say.